Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB for another tune-up report of the new Galaxy DX-99V2. This radio is for Pete in California. We got the watch turned all the way down right now. We're on 10 watts right there. I think I got the watch turned all the way down. Yep. 10 watts right there. Goes down to 1.5. You want to turn it up. Goes up to 10. Peak power, 50 watt scale, 30, 40, and 50s right there.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, audio.
And on sideband.
Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check.
Alright. Put it on the air.